Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete Tumblr account permanently using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then just go ahead and search for tumblr.com. So now just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have any account, just go ahead and create one. And after you've done that, I want you to click on the account section at the upper part of your screen. And now click on settings. So once you've clicked on settings, you can see the account section. So just go ahead and scroll down until you see the delete account option right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. And now to make these changes, you'll need to set a password with a. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set a password for my account. So just wait. So here you can just go ahead and follow the simple steps if that appeared on your screen. So just go ahead and click on send password reset. And now just go ahead and open your Gmail and click on reset password. So I'm just gonna type my new password. Now just go ahead and click on set new password. Okay, so now we can just go ahead and refresh this and log in our account. Okay, so now let's go back to the tutorial. So again, scroll down until you see the delete account button. Just click on that. And here, you, they just need to confirm that you are the owner. Okay, so here you will lose access to everything. All your blogs, original posts, themes, the love we shared, likes, and messages. This can be undone. Okay, so if you're sure, confirm by logging in below. So you just need to type your email and your password. So I'm just gonna type it again and click on delete everything if you're sure about your action. Okay, so if you're not sure about your action, just go ahead and click on the nevermind button here at the lower part. So once you've clicked on delete everything, as you can see, it says it's gone. Okay, and now your Tumblr account is now deleted permanently. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.